Alright, hello and welcome again to another video. This is Jonathan from Technical Limiters here to empower your inner creativity. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit on the notification bell for more of our upcoming updates. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to do charts in Excel sheet, whether be it ranging from bar graph to pie charts. But mainly today we're going to focus on doing the total sales of the year based on my example here below that I given to create a pie chart on the total sales of the year 2022. So we can see that we have listed out all the quarters and the amount in RM. All right, RM. So this is a sample. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to fire up your Excel sheet, whichever you have saved your amount, and what we're going to do is that we're going to right click and highlight the whole bar and column, and we're going to go to insert, and you'll be able to go under the bar called charts. Under the chart, you can see that you can search. You can actually click onto many types of graphs like line graph, bar graph, chart, and many others, and even scatter graph. Okay, so in this case, we're going to do pie chart. There's 2D pie chart and there's 3D pie chart. Alright, so in this case, I'm going to do 3D pie chart. And so the moment I click the 3D pie chart, so you can see that all my figures have, you can see that the chart has just appeared based on the given thing here. However, you won't see the amount. So in order for you to see the amount, and you will have to manually key in the title. So the chart title is total sales of the year 2022, and you insert it into the chart title by Control V, or you can copy Control C, Control V onto the heading title, or you can right click, right copy, and paste on the title in the box by highlighting the box. Now you're going to see that okay, it's going to be blank and all, and you want to show the figures. Now showing these figures is actually called legend. In order for you to display the legend, what you need to do is click on the plus label on the chart elements. Then you'll be able to see data labels. Now under data labels, you will have to tick on the data labels, and there will be a side arrow where you can display the amount in the inside of the chart or outside of the chart. So in this case, I want to display, let's say, outside of the chart, so you can see clearly. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hover my mouse over to the black arrow, and I can see that I can center the data. I can put it outside, or best fit, or data callout, which means I can display outside, and I will need to fire up. And so this is the way to do your chart. Now, so another way to do your chart is by highlighting only the amount and create the chart by inserting a 2D chart. So what we're going to do is that we're going to highlight just the amount, and we're going to do like that. Now this is so that all your figures can appear in a better form. If sometimes Excel is giving a bit of issues with your maybe your laptop is giving you a little bit of issues, or Microsoft is giving you a little bit of issues, and in order for me to safeguard that, what I'm going to do to get all my numbers up, I'm going to click on data labels, and what's going to happen is that I'm going to highlight all this and insert the chart, insert a 2D, maybe a 3D chart, and I'm going to make it big. And so I'm going to do the data labels, right? So now all my data has come out, and I'm going to put it maybe outside end, and so now you'll be able to see the figure. Now what I can do is that I can double click on the chart title as usual, and I can just key in total sales of the year, right? Total sales of the year, and then I'll be able to key in, the quarter Okay, maybe the blue one is quarter 1, so I can key in, can double click here, and I can key in the legend. Okay, so that's how you do it. Another way is to display center overlay, so you got a lot of options. So this is the way how you do charts in case well, you do not get the figures out, but usually it should be able to get out. But however, if you have some issues with this is another way for you to do the chart. Right, so here, and then you just go to data labels, and then you'll be able to go outside, and so you'll be able to see, and you're able to key in the chart over here, right? So total sales of the year 2022. You can remove this if you want to, and then here they will tell you the first quarter, second quarter, and the third quarter, and they will show you all the amount. And you can also drag if you want to highlight, right? So you can actually drag it out to show a section of the chart, right? To show the section of the chart. So that's how you do it in order if you want to do a chart presentation. So yeah, that's how you do it on Excel. And if you want to do a line graph, it's also possible. So what you need to do is insert, and then go to charts, scatter graph. You can do scatter graph, and then you can enter the series, what you want, and they will show you the figures, and you just enter the chart title, and you'll be able to select the moment you select design, you can select any color that you want, any themes that you want for your chart. Alright, so example, if I want line, a block style, so I can show it like that, and then I can just input the chart title. Or if I want 2D line, I can also show this. If I want a histogram, I can also show this. And I also can create custom combo chart whereby I'll be able to see area and a scatter graph, a map, box, or whisker of a one funnel, right? Funnel. So I can select whichever templates that I want. And I could also change the color by double clicking on the part of the chart and right click and click on fill, and so I can change my color to yellow, I can change my color to orange or red, so purple and stuff like that. And so you have to manually key in the title, so to get it right. So we can say total sales of the year, and then if you do not want this, you can also delete. You can modify this, and if you don't want maybe you want something other labels, so you can change. You can also change the axis. Axis title you can untick, tick, and so you can play with it. And you want legend, so this is what you call a legend. So you can label your axis. What is the title of maybe vertical? Maybe here you want to put maybe you see what you want to put. You want to put quarter, or you want to put depends on what you want to label. You can label anything you want, or you can put here amount, just to justify to ensure that you can create a better graph. If let's say your university or workplace requires you to do so. All right. So and if I want this to be formatted to RM for fast use, what I will need to do is that I will need to highlight these numbers and click on and go to the accounting format, where under the number, and I can switch it to any currency that I want. Right, the currency that I want, maybe I can format it to ringgit, or I can format it to Spanish, so it will come out Spanish dollars. And so when I do up the chart, right, so then the Spanish dollars will appear. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Do remember to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below if you find this helpful. Alright, thank you guys and have a great day.